Hello friends, welcome to ChemShastra. Today we are going to understand a very simple concept from solutions and colligative properties. That concept is a concept of molarity. Now what is the definition of molarity? The definition is also very simple. It is the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter or 1 dm cube of solution. So you can see the formula of molarity. Its formula is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in dm cube. Dm cube is nothing but liter. Now, if I want to simplify this formula further, as you know, what is the number of moles of solute? It is the weight of the substance or weight of a solute in kg divided by molecular weight of that substance in kilogram per mole. So, if I simplify this formula further, I can get it as mass of solute in kg divided by molar mass of solute in kilogram per mole multiplied by volume of solution in dm cube or liter. Now, we will take one simple example. Suppose we are making a solution by dissolving 1 mole of NaOH. So I am having 1 mole of NaOH and that I am just simply putting in 500 ml of water. Okay. So how I will do the calculation? As you know, what is the simple formula of molarity? Molarity is equal to number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in dm cube. So what is the number of moles of solute? In this case, NaOH is my solute and water is my solvent. Okay, so in this case what I am going to have is number of moles of solute is 1 divided by I have 500 ml of water. Now 500 ml matlab kitna liter? It is going to be 0.5 liter. So 500 divided by 1000, so which will come out to be 0.5 liter in this case. Okay, so if you solve this question, what you are going to get is 2 mole. Now what will be the unit of molarity? The unit of molarity is capital M, which is called molar. Okay. Now, how this molar is represented, you don't have to remember everything. You can arrive at the units very easily. As you can see over here, what is the unit of number of moles? It is mole. Okay. And volume of solution in dm cube. So, this is nothing but mole per dm cube. So, 1 molar means 1 mole of substance or solute dissolved in 1 dm cube of solution. Okay. So, this is a simple formula or the simple question what can be asked on the molarity. Now what can be bit complicated one? What I will give you is, instead of giving you number of moles of solute, I will give you the weight of solute dissolved in the solution or dissolved in solvent. So in this case, instead of giving you 1 mole of NaOH, maybe I will give you, suppose if you are having 20 grams of NaOH dissolved in, now I will simplify this question, dissolved in 1 liter of water. Okay, so I have 1 liter of solution in this case. So 20 gram of NaOH, matlab kitna number of moles of NaOH? The formula is very simple, mass of solute in kg divided by molar mass of solute in kilogram per mole. Now for this, you'll have to do one more thing, that you'll have to find out the molecular weight of sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Now if you know whatever atomic weights, so what are the atomic weights of sodium? Sodium ka atomic weight is 23, oxygen ka atomic weight is 16 and hydrogen atomic weight is 1. So if you'll add up all this value, what you are going to get? 23 plus 1 is 24. 24 plus 16 is going to be how much? It is going to be 40. Now what you get in this case, atomic weight is always in grams. Okay, so it is going to be gram per mole or gram per mole. So you'll have to convert this into kg. So in this case, what you're going to do is, it is going to be 40 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Okay. Now 20 grams of NaOH, as I will have to keep all the units in the all the values in the same unit. So in this case, I will convert the weight of substance, okay, which is nothing but weight of NaOH, which is 20 grams. So I will convert this 20 gram into kg. So which will come out to be 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Okay. Now how I am going to substitute all the values? What is the molarity in this case? Molarity is equal to mass of solute in kg. So that is 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by what is the molar mass of solute in kilogram per mole. So what is the molar mass of solute in this case in kilogram per mole? It is going to be 40 into 10 to the power of minus 3 multiplied by volume of solution in dm cube. In this case, the volume of solution is 1 liter. So I will just put it as a 1. So if you simplify, if you solve this equation, what you are going to get? 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 3 cancel ho jayega. 20 by 40, which is nothing but what? Which is nothing but 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5 molar in this case. So when you are having 20 gram of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter of water, what you have is 0.5 molar NaOH solution. So these are pretty much very simple calculation. Molarity का concept इतना difficult है नहीं. If you pay attention to a very simple formula, number of moles of solid divided by volume of solution dm cube, and another formula is mass of solid in kg divided by molar mass of solid in kilogram per mole into volume solution dm cube. Okay, now just to tell you this that यहाँ पे अगर ग्राम में वैल्यू है तो that's fine. You are directly getting the value of molecular weight of your substance in gram per mole only. So अगर ग्राम पे भी directly substitute करोगे, still you are going to get the marks for that particular question. But this is what has been given, okay, in your textbook. So you can adhere to this, or you can directly do the calculation to get the final answer. So molarity का concept is very much simple. I don't think so you will have any doubt on this. But still, if you have any question to ask, you can put that in comment box below. Slowly, I'll be coming with the new concepts in the solutions and colligative property. So stay tuned. Do subscribe to ChemShastra for more such content. And today is what is it? Today is 26th, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, today is 26th February. Tomorrow is going to be the 27th February, which is going to be the exam of 12th standard state board students. So I wish you all the best for your exam. Do well, tension free. Okay, jao. You're going to rock the examination. Okay, so stay tuned and bye bye.